it's not a big, big thing if you leave me, but I do feel
beauty packets like this, I suppose, here in Miss Mandaluyong. Now, my question is, do you honestly think that you can win the crown, knowing that many of your competitors have already won titles in other beauty pageants? I repeat, do you honestly think you can win the crown, considering that you're a first timer in beauty pageants? Candidate number 90.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Being a candidate of Miss Mandaluyong 2011 is really a blessing for me. It's really a great accomplishment. So my answer is yes. Yes, I do honestly think and believe that I can win the crown as Miss Mandaluyong 2011, even though I know that some of my competitors here have titles already when it comes to beauty pageants. So why I answered yes? Yes, because I, as a student leader, I believe in myself. With the capabilities and personality that I have, most of it is that I have a unique and interesting course, which is the Bachelor of Science in Criminology. And with that course, if I will be crowned as Miss Mandaluyong 2011, I can be a role model. I can show them how service-oriented I am and how passionate I am when it comes to ethics. That's all.
I'm a big, big girl in a big, big world. It's not a big, big thing if you leave me, but I do feel that I do will miss you much, miss you much. I can see the first leaf falling. It's all yellow and nice. It's so very cold outside, like the way